This trick is going to save you a ton of money. On the left, you'll see 32 to 36 diapers range between $20 to $26. You can get them cheaper, but it's going to be less diapers. On the right, you'll see that between 50 and 168 diapers are $5 to $17. Massive savings by just buying baby diapers. Okay, so take your baby diaper and you'll open the back. Then in the front, you'll poke a hole a few inches from the top where the tail will go. Not too big, just big enough for the tail. That face. All right, and the next steps are pretty self-explanatory. You would put it around her as if you were putting it around a baby. So wrap it around her waist and then pull out the straps. Secure them snug but not too tight. Make sure it's fitting properly so that she won't have trouble walking. And that tail, oh, that tail. And that's it. There, you've saved a ton of money and she's happy and comfortable too. I hope you like this little trick. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you soon.